Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the model and backing up anything you need. Once done, plug a clean 8 GB plus USB or SD into a second computer. On the Chromebook, power off and press ESC plus refresh plus power to enter recovery mode so you can see the recovery screen. You will use the second computer to create recovery media using the Chromebook recovery utility. This replaces the OS image and clears protective, read-only flags only after enabling developer options. Follow prompts on the other computer carefully. Once recovery is active, press Ctrl+D to enable developer mode. This will power wash your device, so make sure backups are done. After the device reboots into developer mode, press Ctrl+Alt+T to open Crash and Type Shell to get a bash shell. From there, you can remount root as writable with commands like sudo mount o remount rw/. You can also manipulate stateful or kernel flags. Make sure you understand each command before running it, because wrong firmware edits can brick the device. Finish by making the specific file or partition changes you need, then reboot and verify the read-only restriction is gone. If the system fails to boot or reverts, immediately use the recovery USB/SD to restore the official OS image. If write operations still fail, inspect firmware write protect. Many models have a jumper or screw. Remove it only if you are comfortable and powered off, then retry your firmware or partition writes. If uncertain, stop and seek model-specific guidance to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.